Why is Bitcoin dumping? Everybody wants to know the answer to these questions, and depending on which article you read or maybe which video you watch, you're gonna find different reasons behind the dump. We definitely had some negative news as of lately. JP Morgan bashing on Bitcoin once again and cryptocurrency in general, but specifically going towards Bitcoin, saying they could go down to about $1,260 or even lower than that. CBOE withdrew the ETF application with the SEC. This didn't help, as well as they are saying that many investors have once again moved across gold and many other really reasons. If you search for Bitcoin, you're gonna find many articles as of right now. Bitcoin falls below 3,500 as a fresh downturn hits cryptocurrency market. 6 billion wiped out as a Bitcoin drops to 3,350. Now, obviously, depending on which exchange you're looking at, what's causing it. And if we go to the CCN, which as of lately haven't been very spot on the news they cover, but on this particular article, they are saying that the factors in declining of the Bitcoin prices early January, for over 3 weeks, the crypto market has struggled to show a high level of volatility on the upside. Bitcoin maintains stability in the tight range between 3,500 to 4,000. The sudden decline of price of Bitcoin and other crypto assets is likely to have been triggered by technical factors rather than fundamental. So they have it. They believe it is a technical factor. Now, specifically me, obviously all the negative news, investors may be really moving into gold, or at least that's what's being sold as at the moment, do have some part to do with the decline in price. But I also believe that the Chinese New Year coming up, it's another factor that people must not forget. If we go back 3 years, let's say if we go to 2017, the Chinese New Year was on Saturday, January 28, and if we look at the price of Bitcoin just before the New Year, it started to decline. So on January 5th, Bitcoin price was $1,170, and then started to decline as the new Chinese New Year started to approach. It went on the January 12th to 769, then it slightly went up and down, and as you can see, it just went down before the New Year, and then it slightly started to pick up. Now looking at 2018, the Chinese New Year was on Friday, February 16, and if we look at once again the chart, the same pretty much thing we can see right here. So on January 29th, Bitcoin was at 11,296, and then it started to decline as the New Year started to approach. On February 6th, it was at 6,287, and then slowly it started to pick up as the New Year started to approach, and after the New Year it reached nearly $12,000. So moving to 2019, the Chinese New Year is on February 5th, Tuesday, which is few days away, and we can pretty much see the same thing at the moment. Price at January 27th sitting at 3,600, big dump at the moment, as we are seeing 3,400, 3,300 depending of the exchange, and maybe that's how it's gonna go for the next few days, and probably start to climb up after the New Year or just before the New Year. That's just historically looking at the Chinese New Year and what impact it's having on the cryptocurrency market. That's what I specifically put on the current situation in regards to the Bitcoin dump. Again, as I said, there are many other reasons, and we don't need to cover all of them because there's so many, and depending what you read, what you watch, everyone probably is going to tell you something different. Or there will be small similarity, but in general everyone has their ideas. Personally, me, I'm definitely falling towards the New Year, historically looking at it, and I'm gonna be looking out for the next few days and see how things play out. We may see continuing decline even after the New Year, but we actually may see a repeat of the previous 2 years and a slight rise up in price, but we definitely gonna have to wait and see. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Any thoughts, feel free to share down below in the comment section. What do you think? Do you believe that maybe yes, the Chinese New Year or maybe other factors are definitely having bigger impact on the current price? Let me know down below, and if you enjoy the channel, feel free to subscribe and share if you haven't already. Come follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully it's gonna be soon. I'm trying to come back to making videos daily. I enjoy this space. I'm not going anywhere, and I hope you're not giving up on the space either. Bye bye for now.